Howdy Hoopers, this is Shay Rippinger here of Hip the Hoopla, and I am here to show you today the stir the pot move. Okay, I'm using a little bit of a smaller, lighter hoop, which means I'm going to go a little bit faster with the rotation. Basically what this is a horizontal isolation. So this is a vertical isolation, and I'm going to go horizontal. At first I'm going to do this with a hand grab, so I'm going to start at about 9 o'clock on the hoop, and I'm going to release and grab and let this rotate around. And so it's not going to be a rotate around the hand, but your hand needs to rotate around the hoop, but in a horizontal format. Now eventually you want to get to a position with the hand where the thumb is out and you are hooping on this part of the hand right here. But at first you're going to start with a grip pattern because gravity is going to take effect. So this may fall on the ground while you get and work the timing out on this. So we're going to, again, take this and give it a good spin. So at first it's just going to be going around the hand, but I want you to take the hand and go around. And ideally what you want this to do is be parallel to the ground. So if it's just doing this, this is a different hoop move if it's just twisting in the air. So we're going to be trying to get this stir the pot. Now think of this as having a big cauldron, and you're going to be stirring the outer edges of the cauldron. So you're actually doing this motion with your hand, but in a horizontal format. So you want to have a small enough hoop that you can lean over without touching the hoop, because if the hoop touches you, it's going to fall to the ground. So we want to have this out nice and big, and you want to have ideally as straight of an arm as possible, but you might be bending the elbow a little bit to be able to work this around the whole circle. So at first do this with a grip. So you're going to be spinning this and then gripping. Round, round and grip. Round and grip. Round and grip. Round and grip. Use your happy hoop glee word if you drop your hoop. Round and grip. And it's going to happen while you're practicing this move. So don't worry. That's okay. And then when you feel comfortable with this, try and go around the hoop. And this is going to work the shoulder muscle. We tend to tighten up the very muscles that we need to relax as we're learning a move. That's going to happen a little bit. So if your arm gets a little tired on this, work it out, give yourself a little bit of a break, and also try it in your other hand. So I'm going to switch over here with my left hand and do the same thing. So starting with a grip position and going around the circle with a grip, and then eventually working this around like so. Fun, huh? Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed that move, the stir the pot move. This is a fun horizontal isolation. It's also known as that, but most people call it the stir the pot. So I'm Shay Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I have lots of other hoop tutorials that you might also enjoy. So subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. And also, if you'd like to learn with me in person, I do that as well. Learning in person, online, all kinds of good stuff in membership formats and online and privates. So whatever works for you, whether it be group classes or one-on-one, or even bringing a buddy and learning that way. So I do humor, hula hooping, and holistic health. So join, and also check out the Hip the Hoopla, my Hoop Love Y'all show, which I broadcast on Mondays, and I put the recording on YouTube as well. So, all right, rock on, peace out. Thanks so much for watching. Go practice. Have a great day. Enjoy the stir of the pot. It's like cookie batter. Yum! All right, bye.